Hey there. Let's talk about something we all think about, but rarely discuss openly. Your relationship with money. You know that feeling when you need to pay a bill. Whether it brings a smile or a slight cringe, we're going to explore exactly where you stand on the financial freedom ladder. And no, this isn't another one of those just stop buying coffee lectures, though we'll get to that. This is about understanding where you are and where you're headed. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a crystal clear picture of your next money move. Let's start with the foundation of self-sufficiency. That's our level one on the leather of financial freedom. Think back to the last time you needed to borrow money. Was it last month? Last year? Never? If you're covering all your bills without reaching for credit cards or calling up family members, congratulations, you've hit level two. If not, don't worry. We've all been there. The only way out is going through it. Whatever the income is, we need to reduce spending to reach the next level. Quick reality check for the next level of financial freedom. Take a look at your spending from last month. Those sneaky subscriptions you forgot about? That impulse buy you justified as self-care? Yeah, we're going to tackle those. But here's the thing, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional with every dollar. So, do you still have money left over before your next paycheck? That's what level two is all about. No more watching your bank account like a hawk 3 days before payday. If not, here's a simple trick. Pretend 20% of your paycheck doesn't exist. Seriously. The moment money hits your account, move it to savings. It's like hiding cookies from yourself. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Okay, once we have that financial breathing room, we are ready to develop the safety net. This is where things get exciting. Imagine having zero credit card debt. I'll wait while you daydream about that. Now add a fat emergency fund that could cover 3 months of Netflix, groceries, and yes, even your rent. That's level three. Think of it as your financial umbrella. Sure, the sun might be shining now, but you'll be glad you have it when it rains. And trust me, it always rains eventually. Then we have what I like to call I choose level. Here's a wild thought. Could you take a 2-year sabbatical starting tomorrow if you wanted to? No, really, think about it. Level 4 is about having enough saved and invested that you could say see ya to your job for a while without eating ramen for dinner. This is when your money starts working harder than you do. Passive income becomes your new best friend. Whether it's through investments, rental properties, or that brilliant side hustle you've been dreaming about. Level 5? Oh, you're gonna love this. The Work is Optional Club. Welcome to the dream. Your money makes enough money to support you. Forever. At this level, you're not working because you have to. You're working because you want to, if at all. The magic number you want to target to reach the next level? About 25 times your annual expenses invested wisely. Sounds big, right? But remember, every financial empire started with a single dollar. Level 6 is basically the abundance zone. This is the financial equivalent of beating the final boss in a video game. You've got more money than you need, your investments are crushing it, and you're thinking about what legacy you want to leave. At this level, it's not about the money anymore. It's about impact. Maybe you're funding scholarships, supporting causes you care about, or helping others climb the same ladder you just conquered. Here's the beautiful truth. Every single person can move up these levels. Yes, even you. Especially you. It doesn't matter if you're starting at level 1 or pushing for level 6. The next step is always forward. Just remember that every challenge conceives outstanding lessons and even greater achievements. So, what's your number? Which level are you at? And more importantly, which level are you aiming for? Remember, financial freedom isn't just about the destination, it's about who you become on the journey. Now, go check your bank account with fresh eyes. Your next level awaits.